Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I did not get the Ipsy icon box, but I do have a palette from Starrr that I've had for a while. I've just never used it. I did open it and look at it when I got it originally. I got it from Ipsy / Boxycharm. I can't remember if it was, I think it was Ipsy. Could have been Boxy. Don't remember, but I got it at one time and I just have never used it. This is Starrr Visionary Eyeshadow Palette. So let's check it out. I hear that his stuff, their stuff is good. So I kept it. I just have never opened it. So it's Starrr, but it's also their product line is called One Size. I believe I read somewhere at one point that they said one size because beauty is for all sizes, something to that effect. So I thought that was really nice. So let's see. I've seen the palette before. It's been so long I don't even know what's going on with it. Really don't. Okay, so this is very pretty. So here's the front of it, and then the back, and look at how can you see this is like off kilter? See how that is? It's cut on an angle here. Yeah, they're both on an angle. See that? So Visionary, Starrr Visionary eyeshadow palettes. So it has a really nice magnet closure. Whoops. And there's a mirror on one side, and it's it's very pretty. It has a lot of neutrals to it. So we're gonna swatch, and there are imprints I guess they're Starrr, because I see a lot of times Starrr, has the turban on their head, and that, I don't think you're gonna be able to see the impression, but that's that one right there. And yeah, so anyway, let's just swatch. So 5, 10, 15 colors in here, and they're very nice neutrals with a little bit of color going on there. So let's see, we'll go, I do have some a cleaning cloth here, and we'll see. This is Manila Sands, very, very light. This is almost, for me, this is like a powder, just like a face powder. This one is called Title Holder, is a beautiful gold shimmer, and this one is Mango. And let's see. So see that one, it really is, if you can see it, I don't know that you can see it because it's about the color of my skin, y'all. So it's a nice base. There's a little bit of fallout going on here. Let's see, that's pretty. This one is called Taupe of My Game, Soft Serve, and Booked. Very nice neutrals. Oh, those have some good pigment to them. Very good pigment to them. There are 6 shimmers in here. And there's this one blue shade that has some glitter. Well, when we get there, I'll show you. All right, we've got, let's see. This one is Brownie. That's beautiful, beautiful shade. This is called Everything. And this one is Walnut Strut. These are gorgeous shimmers, gorgeous shimmers. I am a shimmer girl. Oh, wow. Look at the pigment on there. Gorgeous. Well, heck, I've had this for I don't know how long I've had it. If y'all remember when this came out I want to say it was Boxycharm. Like I said, it could have been Ipsy when Ipsy first got Boxycharm. I don't remember. But I've had it a long while. It's just been sitting in my drawer. Okay, oh wow. This one is Suede Charm. Look at this one. Olive It. And this is Matcha. So this is like a dark gray. Yeah, like a dark gray, but it also has some green to it. So that's really interesting. Oh, look at that, Olive It. I love it. Oh, that is really cool. These are beautiful colors. Beautiful, beautiful Starrr. I don't know much about Patrick Starrr. Just that they're a makeup artist. And they have, oh, makeup. Oh, that's pretty. All right, this time I have to try to show you. I don't know if how I'm gonna do that. Ooh. This one is Turban Legend. So that's a black matte. This is Blue Mondew. And this, I don't think, I can't see it in the camera, but it has little glitters in it. Even though it's not a shimmer, it's just a nice blue. And this is Rebel Gray. So this Rebel Gray has, to me, it's picking up some blue. And then, of course, you know, would depend too on sometimes on what you're wearing, if it'll pick up. Oh yeah, whoops, that black is a little chalky, but yeah, the black is a little chalky. But can you see the little bit of, maybe a little bit of blue catching on there? These are really pretty, really, really pretty. So I'll show you that blue up close if I let me get my fingers cleaned off a little bit. Blue Mondew. There is some fallout. Not my favorite thing. But there's that blue. And maybe see, now I'm seeing itty bitty glitters going on. I don't know if you can see that though. But that is a really pretty palette. So I will be putting that in to my palettes to use, because why not? It's beautiful. To me, it has very much fall and winter vibes going on. But very nice. So that is my one size Patrick Starrr Visionary palette. And I have never got the icon box. I don't really, I don't seem to get it, understand how it works, because I pay for my Boxycharm by the year. So if you buy it by the month, it is it gone up to $32 plus $1.99 handling. So you don't pay that $32 if you buy it by the month, but you pay, I think it's $55 or $60 for the icon box. So, you know, it's more expensive, but I don't know how they work that. I suppose they just charge you the difference. I don't know, because I guess I have to ask them first. But honestly, every time I see an icon, I love the icons that they choose. They're fabulous. But I don't really, see, this is what I would want. If I got the icon box, I want a palette from Patrick Starrr. That's what I want. And I don't think there's an eyeshadow palette. There is a blush palette. Carol Gardner got the icon box. I'll link her video below. She gets a beautiful blush palette. And it is a Patrick Starrr blush palette. She did get a couple of Patrick Starrr products, but I want the majority of products to be Patrick Starrr, and then maybe their favorite type of other products. And not every icon is a makeup artist, so they wouldn't have their own palette, but I always want an eye palette. I don't always get it, but I always want an eye palette in my Boxycharm. So, hope that makes sense, y'all. Thanks for stopping by to see this palette. It's very beautiful. So that's it. Visionary. Y'all take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.